Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I make videos on fashion, styling, and shopping. And today's video is going to be a Coach bag unboxing. I have not done, well actually I did do an unboxing for a bag about a month or so ago. So yeah, I guess so. But you know, I'm kind of getting back in the swing of things. I've been picking up a lot of items. I have so much to show you guys. I owe you guys a lot of videos. I will definitely break a lot of the things that I bought into different videos because I'm gonna include some styling with it as well. I have a Zara haul for you guys. I have some things from J. Crew. I have some things from Banana Republic. I'll have some things probably by next week from ASOS, from Naked Fashions. I have some shoes. I have quite a bit of shoes for you guys. So yeah, but today's video is only going to be the unboxing of the bag. Yeah, so just to give you guys a little bit of an update, I did have the vid for the second time. Yeah, I know. I got it the first time last December. There was like this big Omicron wave that kind of went through last holiday. And yeah, I mean, the weekend that I got it, I was at a wedding. I also went to go see Wakanda Forever. So I don't know. I think it kind of happened at the movies, to be honest with you, because I went into the bathroom with no mask. I don't think it happened at the wedding because my boyfriend didn't get it at all and we were at the wedding together. The only place that I went where I didn't have a mask on, where he wasn't with me, would have been in the bathroom at the movies. And we were like, there was a lot of people waiting and so forth and so on. And I felt naked when I did it, but I really had to go. So I didn't want to get out of line. And I think that's where I got it. And he never got it. I was the only person that got it. So yeah, I was really sick for probably a good 3 days. I mean, probably in total, I was probably sick for about 5, but I was probably really, really sick for 3. It wasn't as bad as it was the last time. When I had it the first time, I was sick for about 10 days. Like, it was a long time. My symptoms were a little bit different this time around, even though I knew it was COVID, because like, I don't know. It's like when you get COVID and and you get sick with COVID, it's like this head thing that seems to be, in my opinion, pretty standard, at least with me, where it's just such, like, my head is pounding. I can barely keep my eyes open. You know, that was the same as it was the last time, but this particular time, like, for example, I didn't have a cough. The last time I had a severe cough, to the point to where my boyfriend was like, you know, contacting people he knew in healthcare and like, should I take her to the hospital? Like, it was a really, really bad cough. And I continued to have that cough for months after the fact. But I wasn't really super congested, like in my nasal area. This particular time I was super congested there. I had a sore throat. This time I had a temperature. I didn't have a temperature the last time. This time I had to continue to take Tylenol in order to like keep my fever down for about a good 3 days or so. So it seems like I had more symptoms this time than last time, but the last time the symptoms were more severe, if that makes any sense. So I was negative by Saturday. I started feeling a little bit bad on Sunday, and then on Monday I was full on bad. And so I essentially, let me turn this off. On silent. So I was really bad on Monday, but then my test was negative, and so by Wednesday, because I never got any better, I was like, I need to take another test, and it was positive. So you know, that was that. But by Saturday, I was negative and I was fine. So it was very quick. Thank God it wasn't anything like it was the last time. So that's the reason why you guys didn't get a video last week. I was sick. So I'm back at it right now, and I do have a lot to show you guys, but I wanted to get into this unboxing first. First of all, with my outfit, this is very old. I've had this for probably several years now. It's from Zara. This is like a little 2-piece crop net set and then long like cardigan. And I have on just leggings from, I think these leggings are from Aritzia, if I'm not mistaken. But that's it. I'm filming this on Thanksgiving, so happy holidays to you guys. I think I will upload it today. Yeah, we're not going anywhere today. We're not. We're gonna do dinner here and just probably watch movies, and you know, I'll probably drink some wine. I've really been trying to, you know, I've actually cut out the alcohol during the week at all. I haven't had it in a long time because I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight. I've been doing this whole intermittent fasting thing, and it's actually been working. I've lost a few pounds quite easily actually by just, you know, not eating anything before 12. Usually I eat after 1, and then I'll eat dinner before 8. And honestly, it's been relatively easy to do, and I've lost several pounds doing it for only about a couple of weeks. So I've been doing that, so I haven't really been having wine, but today I'm having some wine. And I'm gonna watch some movies and edit some videos or whatever for you guys. But anyway, I rambled on enough. Also too, let me tell you something. So, you know, the Zara sale is today. It starts at 5 o'clock, 5 Central and 6 o'clock Eastern time. Let me tell you, the Zara sale sucks. Like, what is going on? It gets worse and worse every single year. And you know how I know it's bad? Because typically whenever I would buy things from Zara, a lot of times I would always be like, oh my God, I should have waited until the sale, because a lot of times the things I bought, if I purchased anything from Zara recently, it's normally like in the sale. This time, nothing I bought was in the sale. I haven't bought a ton of things from Zara, but I bought a few things, a few cool things, and none of those items were in the sale. Like, it sucks. There's things in there, but it's not anything good at all. They have some good shoes, I think, but I don't need these shoes. So, I mean, I was tempted, but I don't think I'm gonna get anything in Zara. But yeah, I just think that every single year it gets worse and worse. I remember the days when it just used to be a straight 30% off of anything on the site. They stopped doing that a couple of years ago, actually. They started putting like just, you know, specific items on sale, and I think those things would be at least 30% off. I would say 30 to 40, because some of those items probably were already kind of marked down. And then, but I think when they first went from like the straight 30% off to like the selected items, there were still a lot of things in the actual sale that you would still want. This time, I mean, I don't know. It's not anything interesting at all. I'm like, I don't know. I mean, and I really haven't been shopping at Zara too much. Most of what I did get from Zara when I do my haul were accessories. I mean, I had 2 clothing items. Everything else was like accessories, scarves and gloves, and jewelry and like chokers and things like that. So I can't wait to show you guys that for like the holidays. But anyway, I've rambled on enough. Let me get into the unboxing. All right, so I ordered this online. I signed up for ShopRunner. ShopRunner is free. If you sign up for that, you can typically get 2-day shipping from wherever like their like partner retailers are, and Coach is one of those partner retailers. So I received it several days ago. Comes in like a Coach branded box, which is actually a shipper. So that's pretty cool. I think all their stuff comes like that if it's coming from like the warehouse. It has like this little Coach, little, I guess, horse and carriage sticker here. So it's wrapped up very nicely. This is just a little thank you card from here. It's already in the dust bag. I actually appreciate when they do that. From the title of the video, you already know that it's the heart bag, and I got the bigger size. This is actually not super big, so I can imagine what the smaller size would be. It was $350. I think the smaller size was $250. But yeah, so if you guys know or are familiar, you know, I want to say earlier this year, like Chanel came out with a heart bag, and I think it was like limited edition, and I think it sold out fairly quickly, and that was it. That bag was probably about the same size as this bag, and it was $5,000. Well, first of all, I was never had any desire to get that bag at $5,000, but you know, I thought it was very much a cute bag. I mean, if I was super rich and I had like money to throw away, then possibly I would have bought it, but I'm not, so I did not. But yeah, so when I saw this bag, I thought it was great. I think Coach has had other like colorful like heart bags that sold out fairly quickly. I know that they did. There was like some bag. It was like more of a two-tone pinkish bag that I really liked. I actually missed it. I don't think it was in the, was it in the, I'm trying to remember if it was actually in the outlet or in the regular like Coach store. I don't remember, but I think by the time I got wind of it, it was already sold out. It's really, really cute actually. But yeah, wasn't available by the time I saw it. So when I saw that they have a black, like more or less like a quilted bag, I was like, yeah, because you know, for me, I like black bags. I like bags I can kind of throw on whenever I want. And I thought it was really, really cute. So yeah, I think this bag is going to sell out. So that's why I went ahead and made the purchase. I actually was going to wait until my birthday month. I think you may get 15% off or 10% off when you're doing your birthday month. But I don't know, because sometimes they have exclusions on what you can use that on. Either way, I'm just rambling today. I don't know why, but so it comes with a strap. And well, let me show you the bag first. Here's the bag. Isn't that cute? It's a good size too. Look at that. So it has sort of like this with the C here, more of a gunmetal, like essentially more of a neutral C. So you can wear this with both, in my opinion, silver and gold. And I love that aspect of it. That's the only thing about bags when it comes to like the hardware color. It kind of limits you. Well, it limits some. It doesn't really limit me because I don't pay too much attention to it. I will mix metals all the time, but I know a lot of people are really funny about that. For me, I'm like, whatever. I'll just mix up some jewelry that's silver and gold and keep it moving. I'm not really married to that, but it's nice that you don't have to necessarily, you know, make a choice on like what jewelry, you know, you really want to accessorize your outfit with if I want to use this bag. This bag is very soft. This bag is supple. Oh my god, it is so cute. And forgive my hands, I need another manicure, but okay, so let me fully unwrap it. Okay, so it comes with a black tag here, which I think is nice. All the hardware is sort of like a gunmetal. So it's super neutral here. It does have an adjustable strap here. I will do mod shots for you guys. I normally never do that, but I'm gonna, you know, start doing that for you guys because I've had some people ask me to do that. But yeah, the strap is pretty adjustable. It has, what I really like about this bag is that it opens all the way down here. The zipper goes all the way on both sides. I think the Chanel bag does not do that. I think it only comes to be about maybe here, which makes it hard to get in and out of the bag. But this one is not necessarily the case. Let me see how the zippers work. Okay, because it had gotten stuck with the paper. So yeah, so let me move this paper on the end. So yeah, it's just stuffing in the bag here. Let me pull all this filling out. So yeah, so again, this is the inside of the bag. I'm assuming this is leather. It feels like it's leather inside. It definitely has a leather storyboard here, which is brown. This looks to be more of a maroon on the inside. And again, it's really wide. You can get in here. Here's my phone. I have the, is it 12 or whatever, the Pro Max. It's the biggest size of the iPhone. Does it fit? It does fit in here. Like honestly, you can fit a lot of things in here, actually. You know what, I do have some things here, hold on. Okay, so I don't have a bag that has a lot here, but I do have my little Chanel wallet here. It does fit in here. I mean, honestly, I have a lipstick from Fenty that fits in here. I mean, there's a lot of room here. It really is. So this is a normal functioning bag. You don't even really have to like sacrifice what you bring on a regular everyday basis in order to wear the bag. I cannot tell you guys how soft this bag is. I really do like the bag. a lot. This is gonna be my new favorite, I think. It's so, like, this bag feels so luxurious. I can't even stand it. It looks luxurious. Like, honestly, granted, you know, the whole heart situation is not going to be for everybody, so I completely get it. This bag is beautiful. Like, this bag is stunning. This is like the end of the bag, so this has stitching here, and also some stitching around here as well, and here. But it's so cute. And is this the end of the one? No. So yeah, it even goes a little bit longer here. So even for my tall girls, again, I'm gonna do some mod shots for you guys. But yeah, this is beautiful. I love this bag. I thought it was gonna be smaller, to be honest with you. I don't know why. It doesn't look that big on even on the mod shots on the actual website. I don't know, it just looked like it was a little bit smaller. So even though it says that it did fit the phone, I knew that it did, but I thought it was going to be smaller. Maybe it's because it's just like more of a double situation. So you have like double sides in between like the zipper. So I don't know. So it's just bigger than what you would think it would be, simply because it's actually wider, if that makes any sense. But the quilting, like the bag, like the leather feels better than my Chanel. This is on par with the leather. Even honestly, this might even feel better than my Saint Laurent. Because I feel like that's probably more comparable, because I have more of the pebbled leather for the Chanel. My Saint Laurent bag, that bag, this might be softer. If it's not softer, it's just as soft. Like, it's beautiful. Oh. Okay, yeah, so highly recommend it. It's $3.50. I'm gonna link it below. This is a beautiful novelty bag that you can use every day. You can put all your essentials in here. You don't have to worry about that. It's actually beautiful. Like, this is my new, yeah, this is my stuff's already in here. I don't have to worry about it. So when I go to the store, this is what I'm using. Like, this is gonna be my everyday bag. This is beautiful. I highly recommend this. They did that. This bag looks better than the Chanel bag to me. Like, it really does. It's stunning. Okay guys, so I hope you guys are having a really, really good day so far. By the time you see this video, again, I have lots of videos that I owe you guys, so I will be posting a lot. I do not think I will be participating in Vlogmas. That's just a little bit too much of a commitment, but I will definitely commit to posting at least twice a week. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think of the bag, if it's on your wish list. If this is not on your wish list, let me know what bags are on your wish list in the comment section. So yeah, that's that. Have a good holiday, guys.